Hey!
Justin, how you
The
feel?
bottom stair.
What the fuck?
You broke every stair. You broke every stair. Dude, you broke every fucking stair. Why would you bust
And no one's gonna know if you whisper. Like,
You busted every stair. Oh, whammy? Is that right? Whammy? Is that?
oh my god, you're joking.
Oh my god.
I told you he busted every stair.
What did you do?
I've lost weight. I didn't think it'd happen.
Why would you do that?
Why am I holding this?
I told you not to. Why would you do
Let's
that?
get rid of the evidence right now.